Alright, so two guys, one on each end on a sawhorse. Put your knee on that loose part, grab this thing and roll it out and forward, right there. Simple and easy. Any other way, these biscuits go on an angle like this, you try to go this way, you're going to rip everything apart, and you can't spread it and get both out. So really what you got to do, you got to put your foot there, pivot this end up, and it should pop right out. 11 of these got glued up with these biscuits glued in, because I had a nightmare that when you go to lift this out, the biscuits had turned. Now you got to overcome about an inch, about 3/4 of an inch rather than a 1/4 inch. So 10 or 11 of them have the biscuits glued in. The other ones, the biscuits are loose, and we'll send them loose so you don't have to worry about it. Just put the biscuits together and then apply it. When you put them together, even though this is laying down, it's going to be up. Pop the biscuits in. So the biscuits will be in either there or there. And this thing here basically, just bang it. And it's pretty much locked in. Oh, that wasn't good. And then just wrap them with tape. And make sure you do glue about 3/8 of an inch from the edge, so that glue just a little bit comes out of the miter, so then when you sand the miter off, everything is good. All right.